Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to watch TikTok live streams. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to know how to watch TikTok live stream. It's super easy. Click on the TikTok app. Now you can see option of for you, and beside that there is a search bar. Click on that search bar and you have to write live matches. I am going to write this. You want to search of on your choice. You can see here option of, you can see all the matches that are going. Click on any of the match. You can see here the live streams or live content. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.